is up, bros? So as you guys read from the title, yes, we're doing a 0 to 60, my 2009 straight piped 6-speed manual Nissan 370z. So I had to switch spots because sadly I was filming back there and a big truck just came along and parked right next to me. So now we're back to the regular road. And I know a lot of you guys are new to the channel, so if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. So far, the only thing I have on her is the non-resonated test pipes and non-resonated AM short tails with the K&N drop-in filter, but that doesn't really count. And yeah, I guess we can get to the 0 to 60.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. We'll meet again.
I just realized I could never finish a video the same day. I always bring it to another day. Anyways, what is up, guys? So yesterday as I was about to start doing the 0 to 60, something came up and I had to go. But don't worry, bros, I would never leave you hanging like that. So let's get right to that. Also, when I'm recording this video, I don't know what the 0 to 60 is because I'm not timing it. To time it when I'm editing, so just hopefully I get a good 0 to 60. Again, she's an 09, we're in 2018, so she's not gonna be as fast as she was 9 years ago. If you don't get a good 0 to 60, it's completely fine, okay? Don't worry. Yeah, she's not really liking it. We're gonna push her this hard, but enough talking. Let's get right to the video. Hopefully, fingers crossed, cops don't come. I'll try to give you guys 3 to 4 0 to 60s. One's gonna be this one right there, another one back there. Then I'm gonna put a camera outside the car, and if I can, I'm gonna try to do like some type of POV, just try to put my camera up here while I'm shifting. We'll see how that goes. How this is gonna work, I'm gonna say start when I start going and stop when I hit the 60. Honestly, if I get like a 5.8, I'm pretty happy. There's an old guy walking through, so we gotta wait for that. Okay, the guy left, the truck's left. I think we're good. 3, 2, 1. Bros, that's just way too loud. I'm literally waiting for a cop to come. And if not, then I'm gonna do it again. Okay, bro, so that was with traction control on. Now I'm gonna put the camera back there and I'm gonna do it with it off. And let's compare the two. I think that run, I got like a 6 or above.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.
Okay, guys, so there's an old couple coming this way. Okay, no, they're going that way. Hopefully they don't say anything to me and we can continue doing the 0 to 60. Camera set up, everything good. Alright, AC off, let's turn off traction control. Go like this instead I hit 60. Also, if you guys want to, put it on your phone just to see if we have the right time. 2, 1, start. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I was going, there's a street over here. I looked, and when I looked, the old people were staring at me go by fast. Oh, hopefully they don't call the cops on me. I'm gonna go around, see if they're still there, but I think this is the last 0 to 60 I'm doing. Oh, there they are. Alright, bros, and just like that, we're done with the 0 to 60. I told you guys I was gonna do 3 to 4 runs, but there's a lot of people just walking around, and there's like a bunch of cars coming in and out, so I really don't want to get in trouble. Okay, let me pause the video. I feel like I say this every video, but she's so dirty. Look at this. That's really bad. And look at this mirror. Look at the mirror and look at the hood. And look at the hood. That's so bad. How does that even get there? In case you guys think I'm lying, see a truck right there and then there's a person right there. So I'm just gonna do those 2 for you guys. I probably could have gone a better 0 to 60 than what you saw. Like I said, I don't know the numbers, but I think they're above 6. And I actually think the car did better with traction control on. And there's another truck. That's a lot better. There's no sun in my face. I think I already said it before, but I do challenge you guys to do the same with your car, your Z, your whatever you drive. Doesn't really matter. But just try to get a 0 to 60 time and comment below. Like, comment your car and then the 0 to 60. Okay, this is so random. So I'm recording and there's a random muffler back down there. Do you guys see that? That's so random. But as I was trying to say, try to do a 0 to 60 in your car. Obviously, be careful, guys. Make sure there's nobody around. Make sure you're in a safe area that you can do it safely. And make sure you don't mess up. But yeah, comment below your car and the 0 to 60 you got. Okay, bro, so I was just walking towards the car and look how bad this is. It's like faded. I don't remember it being this bad. I think to fix this, I should just vinyl wrap the whole trim over here. If you guys think that's gonna work and if I should do it. And also, if you guys saw my last video, you know what I said about the car and what I was thinking on buying. Guess what I did? I bought the springs and the spacers. So you guys already know this is gonna go from like a 3-finger gap to like a 2, maybe 1.5. You guys have no idea how excited I am. The fitment's gonna be nice. I was on YouTube trying to find H&R springs and the installation on a 370 for springs or anything, and there's none, so you guys already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be installing them myself with Alex. So I think like my last burnout video, this video is kind of short. So last week I actually went to a Cars and Coffee in the morning. I kind of recorded. It was like a pretty awkward video, so I just left it for something like today. So to entertain you bros more, let's go ahead and jump to last week on Cars and Coffee. Start though. It is that time of the month again. We're heading to Cars and Coffee. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how Cars and Coffee is. Also guys, make sure you let me know if you enjoyed the Cars and Coffee vlogs. Personally, I don't think they're too interesting, but just let me know. And probably the biggest reason of why I'm going to the Cars and Coffee, the gym is right next to it. Well, kind of. They're probably like 5 minutes away. So we finally made it to Cars and Coffee. Bros, look at this. AMG GTR. This is probably the best 918 I've ever seen. I need one so bad. Honest, just look at it, dude. Oh my god.
Can't have the...
To give you guys a little overview of how the Cars and Coffee is. Just like that, Cars and Coffee's over. Now we're back to current day, and as you guys guessed, yes, it is the end of the video. But do not worry, because spring break is coming to us in college, so I should be uploading like 3 videos a week, that is. I also hope this video was able to entertain you guys and make your day a little bit happier and better than it was. My goal is always to give you guys something fun to watch, and I'm trying my best. So thank you guys so much for the continuous support on the channel. We're at 2,400 subscribers as of today. Make sure you comment below what I said before and what you guys thought of the video, and give me some video ideas. Like, seriously, I'm running out of ideas, so give me some. Make sure you keep coming back for more videos, and usually I say at the end to comment a Z down below, but let's comment VQ. And with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.